Top funny epic animals video moments. He just realized.
What I just realized? You're not stronger than me. Let's go.
Is that
The
me?
squirrel is back. It look evil as fuck. I'm terrified. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, you bitch.
Why are you approaching me?
Confused about the game.
Can you not? Sir, can I? What the fuck?
Oh my god,
If anybody believes that these two should not be wed, speak now or forever hold your peace.
dumbass dog. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe.
Are you kidding?